Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can test camera on Teams. So to begin with, open the app on your mobile phone, then enter the second section at the bottom, tap at the Meet button, then start an instant meeting. That will be pretty much a meeting that you are only a participant of. And once you're ready to test out your camera, just turn it on and see, well, whether you're satisfied with what it looks like. You can switch camera from frontal to rear and vice versa. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.